Hey, good morning. It's the next day. My bike is fully charged. Fully charged. I believe that's a program or something. Anywho, so yeah, it was kind of an accidental experiment where I only had half power for the day, and in fact, it did eventually run out. I had to pedal home about 2.5, 3 miles. It wasn't bad. It definitely is a lot easier. And as somebody pointed out, at least it builds up your muscles. Oh, look, we have some little duck friends here this morning. I'll stop and say hi. I don't want to bug them, but I'll just kind of like hang out over here. If you pan the camera that direction, you'll see they're just chilling out. What's up, guys? No babies yet. Anywho, but the bike actually behaved normally, exactly the way an e-bike is supposed to work. Slowly reducing the power, letting you go as far as you possibly can on as little battery as you have left, and it worked really well. So I have no complaints at all. But really, this one especially, if you look up the Torah from Juice Bikes, does a really good explanation of the little onboard computer, and he talks about how it will only let so much of the battery go out, and there's even a setting that you can set for yourself. So take a look at that, and you'll see he's got it designed so it's not going to mess up the batteries. I know somebody was saying, like, make sure you turn it all the way off. I guess I could have. I don't know if it really makes much of a difference, because again, I do believe he's designed it in such a way, between the software and everything, so that it doesn't mess up the battery. Charged it last night, woke up this morning, and it's got a full, It's got a full charge, and everything's fine with it. So it definitely feels so much lighter when you have it in sport mode and nimble. It makes a huge difference. It's amazing how light it makes the bike feel. And really been enjoying it. Oh man, this part is bumpy. I have to kind of sit up. There we go, that's better. That's part of the road. There we go. So what am I sitting at right now? Miles wise, if I could, it's hard to do this while the bike is moving around. Doing too much. Too much. 300. Yeah, I can almost travel from Northern to Southern California. 379 miles. So thank you, Juice Bikes, for letting me do this long-term review on the CrossCurrent S. Really has been much appreciated. I think a lot of people have enjoyed seeing a review that is extended and not just the usual short version. That can be helpful too, trying to get through that, but again, trying to offer up something a little bit different. Also, I'm going to be calling Rich at Juice Bikes today and find out what the status is of the CrossCurrent, when I can get the CrossCurrent to try, I hope. Would be very kind of them, and then we'll just do the same thing. So, no word yet. He said they're selling like crazy, so they haven't, and it makes sense, right? It's not like they have one just laying around. They're not getting anything necessarily other than, you know, the advantage of having their bike out there, but I'd like to get it out there and see what it's like on-road, off-road, commuting, and all that. It'd be kind of cool. Anything else? That's about it. So, anywho, I'll let you guys go. So I'll give you a quick update, kind of the day after. My legs weren't feeling too much pain. Was able to get through it okay. So hopefully this helps, and we'll check you on the next video. See ya.